Welcome. Which of the following happens to be the carbanion with highest stability? We have four compounds. Which one has more stability? The four examples in a carbanion compounds to find the which one is more stability. In last video, we saw the conditions for stability of carbanions. First one is the number of alkyl group decreases, the stability increases. Number of alkyl group decreases. Number of alkyl group mean electron donating group. This electron donating group donate the electron towards the carbanion. The negative charge on carbanion increases, so the stability decreases. So number of alkyl group decreases, stability increases. The resonance structure, number of resonance structure increases, stability increases. The S character of the hybridization contain sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridization. The S character value is increases, the stability increases. The carbanion attached with electron withdrawing group like NO2, cyanide, etc. This electron withdrawing group withdraw the electron from carbanion. So the carbanion, negative charge on carbanion decreases, the stability increases. Now we try to give the answer for this example. Which one is more stability? We have four compounds. The first option A contain benzene attached with alkyl group. Here one alkyl group is attached with benzene. Here two alkyl group is attached to benzene ring. Here one alkyl group. This example also have one alkyl group. Here the option B, this benzyl compound attached with methoxy group. Methoxy group also electron donating group. Methoxy group also electron donating group. So this alkyl group also electron donating group. It donates the electron. This methoxy group also donate the electron. So the intensity of negative charge increases, stability decreases. Here alkyl group is a electron donating group. This donate the electron towards the carbanion. The negative charge on carbanion increases, stability decreases. So option D, the benzyl group attached with nitro group. Nitro group is the electron withdrawing group. So it withdraw electron from this carbanion. So this carbanion, the charge on negative charge of carbanion decreases, stability increases. Stability increases. Compare this four example. Option A have alkyl group, alkyl group or electron donating group. Option C have electron donating group. Option B also have electron donating group. So these three example A, B, C have electron donating group. It donates the carbanion attached with electron donating group. From option A, option B, option C. Carbanion attached with the electron donating group. It donates electron towards this carbanion. This carbanion negative charge increases, stability decreases. In option D containing carbanion attached with nitro group, electron withdrawing group attached with the carbanion. This electron withdrawing group withdraw electron from carbanion. The negative charge on carbanion decreases, stability increases. Which one has the highest stability in following carbanion is option D is correct answer. Next sum. Arrange the following carbanions in increasing order of their stability. We have 3 examples. These 3 examples, these 3 given molecules contain primary carbanion. Primary carbanion. Already we know the stability increases in this order. Primary has more stable than secondary than tertiary. So here all 3 given molecules have contain primary carbanions. Now we explain the option 1. It contains primary carbanion. It's the primary CH2 minus. It is primary carbanion. It adjacent to double bond. It shows resonance. It's a primary carbanion adjacent to double bond. It shows resonance. This negative charge shift here. This charge shift to this direction. Negative charge shift this position. This bond electron shift to charge. So it's a unstable because a large amount of electron creates high repulsion. The large amount of electron creates repulsion. So it is unstable. Compound 1 is unstable. Then compound 2, say primary carbanion. This carbanion have no adjacent double bonds. So it is more stable than compound 1. Compound 2 is more stable than compound 1. Then compound 3. Compound 3 has presence of fluorine atom. This fluorine is the electron withdrawing group. This electron withdrawing group withdraws this electron from this carbanion. Withdraw electron from this carbanions due to minus I effects. This carbanions make more stable. It withdraw electron from this carbanions. So here the negative charge on carbanion decreases. So stability increases. Stability increases. Compare these 3 compounds. Third one have electron withdrawing group. So it is more stable. Compound 3 is more stable than compound 2 than 1. Thank you for watching.